Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how to find, your MTCN number on Western Union. This is basically your tracking number, okay? So you get this tracking number whether you've sent a transfer online, in-store, or via the Western Union app. They must give you this number. This is what you're going to be using to track your transaction. So you can find this MTCN on your transfer receipt. So if you've made the transfer on the website, the number will be on your online receipt and the confirmation email that they'll send it to you. And if you have made a transfer in store, your number will be printed on your receipt. They'll give you a printed receipt. And of course, guys, there's a unique MTCN for each money transfer. So if you end up sending multiple transfers at the same time, each one will actually have a different number. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so you get notified of the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.